first time.
Project X.
This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600. I just wanna rock. I just wanna.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. Come back to y'all with yet another YouTube video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that good stuff, man. First things first, I just wanted to say your boy's a little bit sick. If y'all see a lot of cuts when I'm talking during this video, that is why. As y'all can see from the title on the thumbnail, we obviously going shooting today. Yesterday, September 23rd, was my birthday. Your boy just turned 20. His teenage years are officially over. Something I really just been wanting to do for the longest time is to go shooting. I've been fascinated with guns since like I was real young. I have no idea why. I know it's a lot of stuff going on with mass shootings and all that going on. And I don't like violence. I don't condone, you know what I'm saying, the misuse of firearms in any type of way. I just wanted to do something fun for my birthday, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't think of nothing else, so I was like, you know what? Let me just go shooting. So that's just something I've been wanting to do, so let me just do that. I don't want this intro to be too long. We finna go head out right now. So I'll see y'all boys when we officially at the range. Yes, sir. Let's see what they talking about. Yeah, look, they got all this type of stuff. P90 from Call of Duty. You know what I'm saying? They got all type of stuff. Jeez. Alright, we getting scanned in right now. We gotta watch a little video and learn some safety tips and stuff like that. And then I think we gotta sign a waiver. Right now, we're just giving them our IDs. They're checking on our IDs and stuff. After that, I think we're good. But let me show y'all some of the stuff they got on this wall, though. This is crazy. Yo, look, they got all type of stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, that's crazy. I like that one. That one looks cool.
This will actually pop up like this. And actually let you know when it's closed, there's a round in the chamber like that.
Yeah, all type of stuff. Shirts with some drip, pop some drip,
Just for
ammo,
user
all type of
awareness.
stuff.
Rack to slide with, it's easy as that.
I don't know how to use it.
Let me see.
Alright. So this slide here, you're gonna take this, your hold from here or your hold from here. That's how you operate the slide. I mean, it's one of the smoothest slides you can possibly operate.
Alright, so we're just picking targets right now. Oh, I don't even know which one I'm gonna get. Which target you going with? The pink one?
I'm gonna take that one.
Pick this one right. Oh, how many we get to pick? 2?
No, you can take as many as you need.
Oh.
I mean, if you're not gonna be getting the target, then get the cheap one. Like, you
Oh, I didn't know these were the most. Which one's the cheap one?
These are.
Oh, okay, so I'll go with this one. The original black one. Or actually, I'm gonna go with the orange one so you can see it. How many we get?
Just get 5 of these, and then just one of those.
Okay.
Where is the rest
Alright. So you said 5 of these.
And one of these, like I got that, so I can kill a zombie.
How many is there? 4?
And you change them, I guess, when you shoot them up to the holes or whatever.
Can I get this one right here?
Yeah, okay.
Got you some targets.
Yeah. Are y'all holding on to the IDs until we're finished?
We will.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Here we go. So these are all the rental weapons. I guess you gotta be a member or something to get the other ones, but that's fine. You know what I'm saying? So we got some sights and stuff. I want to get one with a sight because I don't want to go without a sight.
You said you should get a
43?
9 millimeter.
Oh. Alright, I'm trying to see which one I want to shoot. Alright, I'll catch back up with y'all when I find out which gun we're gonna use for the first one. Cause I can't make up my mind right now. There's so much stuff, bro. It's literally a whole wall of stuff, bro. It's crazy. What are you doing? Loading it? Okay, alright, y'all. We just setting up. What kind of gun is that?
This is a 9mm Glock 6.7.
Axel.
This is a mellow beat.
Why did you record the video that way? Alright, y'all. I don't know why he recorded the video this way. I'm gonna have to edit it in the editor. But that's it for the first few rounds. How many you put in there? I ain't mean to shoot the whole thing. Okay. Alright. Well, there you have it. Hold on, let me show y'all my grouping. I think that's what it's called. Yo, look at it, look at it, look at it. Eh. I don't know what gun this is. My dad picked it up. But that's what we got. I shot like 10 rounds, I think. Second try. Who doing better? All right, y'all. So we finna go get the AR, and then I think that's gonna be it.
Just hold that.
So what?
Just hold that.
Oh, hold that. Oh yeah, and then they say hold it like this. It's kind of hot. A little bit. All right, y'all. So that's it. We're finna go get an AR real quick. And then I guess we're gonna save the other targets and come back another time. I'm gonna go grab the AR. I don't know which AR I'm gonna shoot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but we're gonna find that out in a minute.
You guys want to try something else?
The AR?
Sure. Any particular one you're looking at?
Not yet. What kind of gun is that?
So this is a SIG M17. It's actually a variant of the SIG 320.
Okay. All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Well,
I don't know what this
Technically,
is.
it's fast so you can pull your trigger because it's.
First attempt with the rifle. That boy's like 25 rounds accurate. Hold on, look. Yes. Yes, sir. And that was like 20 feet. So I'm gonna try like, I think it goes to 70. So I'm gonna try like 45 maybe. I don't know, we'll see. He said he'll finish it. He ready to go. So I think I'm gonna try to finish it real quick. I would have shot more. They're gonna close to 8, and I was rushing because like I was shooting fast because I thought when as fast as he loading rounds, it's gonna take us forever to get through guns. Like me personally, I've been here till they close. I ain't gonna lie to you, but he ready to go. I don't know if he was feeling it. I feel like he was feeling it at first, but he didn't want to touch. He said he wanted to touch the AR, and then he was. That's why I picked the 22 because I knew if I picked the 5.56 and he shoot it, he not gonna like it. I'm gonna definitely bring back some more vlog type vids. Like I wanna go out and do stuff like this. I love videos like these. This is so much fun than just sitting here doing reaction videos to stuff I don't even really care about for real. I landed pretty good shots with the 22 AR. I'm not gonna lie. If it was 5.56, I mean, what I realized is like if you pull it and like push at the same, it's like I watched the video before I came here. That's what the lady said to do. The guns is not heavy at all. They're not heavy. Like the AR is not heavy. The pistol is not heavy at all. Like it's pretty easy to hold. It's just that when you tensed up and you like squeezing, you bracing for impact, you so tense that like your muscles start hurting because it feel like you carrying more weight than you actually are. But nah, man, it was definitely nice. So, and this is what I hit from 40, what you call it. So we be out here using these little things, and now they got the everything coming back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so the headshots are at the top of the cranium. That boy's still out of there. You know what I'm saying? You might survive with a couple of these, but otherwise, you're dead. Anyways, I didn't hit the X. You can't even see the X from that far. Like, it's really hard. Unless you got good eyes, but these things are like dirty, low key. So it's really hard to see. They kind of impair your vision a little bit. And these lines and all that, the letters and all that is really thin. So I don't know. Hit the boy in his chest, his lungs is destroyed. His heart will be over here, so he out of there. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. They got rounds all over the floor. I don't know if y'all can see that little brass thing. They all over the floor. You gotta be careful, it's gonna slip, fall, and die on here. That's yeah, man. I'm finna take this off. Man, I'm gonna get back to y'all boys when I get out of here. This one is okay. This one is good. The pistol ones was the one I was worried about. But he did pretty good too. Let me show y'all his. His is right here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can see that. He did pretty good too. For our first time shooting, I ain't mad. We shot 9mm and 22s. That's what they said. I watched a whole bunch of videos. That's what they said to shoot. So I know people gonna be like, oh AJ, why you ain't shoot no 5.56, no 7.62? That is military type calibers. I am not worried about shooting that. Even when I go recreational shooting when I'm older, bro, and I live my own, because my parents said they don't want no gun in the house, which I respect, you know what I'm saying, it's their house. But when I get my own crib, I'm gonna have a whole wall full of guns, a whole room full of guns. And I'm gonna go shooting like maybe a couple times a month. But all this talking got my throat getting mad dry, so I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get out of here. Cause I'm about to die in here. Don't feel like goddamn Sahara Desert, boy. Alright, y'all. So as you can tell, we have arrived home. You know what I'm saying? I liked it. I enjoyed myself. I'm definitely gonna try to go again pretty soon, as possible. But the only thing I didn't like about it was they don't really put anybody in there with you to make sure that you handling stuff right. It's kind of just like, okay, you sign a waiver, they teach you there at the desk, and then you on your own. But some guns there you just might not know how to operate, and then you might do something on accident. I don't know, but nothing happened. We was safe. You know what I'm saying? We followed the rules. We did everything they told us to do. We only shot 2 guns, and we only shot about I think 4 or 5 times. I would have been there till they closed. So I would have shot like at least 5 pistols and 2 ARs. I shot the 9mm pistol like 2 or 3 times. Shot the AR. The AR was only 22, all around, real small caliber, real easy to handle, real easy to shoot. I wanted to try the 5.56, but I don't know. My dad was like he was ready to go, so. But I mean, it's real. It's not expensive, so we can always go again if we want to. We got extra targets too, so we gotta use them. We can't just let them sit around. So, anyways, man, that's it for this video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we out.
My Bible killer, she know I was in this bitch smoking a cigarette. Yeah!